Alright, to make an enjoyable fun day for your pet or feline, what you can do is take a stuffed animal or toy, and you're going to tie a string to it. Then you're going to tie it to a tack, and then put the tack into the ceiling. The string has to be long enough for the animal to play with it. Demonstration over here. Kitty loves the little dangly things. And if you want to play with it with her, it's more fun if you give it a little boost. Anyway, for the most of fun, tie the string really low. The animal will love it. It's a lot of fun. And the cat enjoys it, and you can enjoy watching the cat have fun. So for the next 30 seconds, enjoy watching my cat.